Welcome to the overview screencast about the ESDoc documentation for CMIP6. In these screencasts, we describe the steps to produce the ESDoc documentation about the CMIP6 process. They each start here on the CMIP6 page of the ESDoc website. Our documentation covers the 4 stages from the design of projects through to setting up models and running simulations, and finally to publishing data on the Earth System Grid Federation. The first stage involves the description of MIPs, that's these projects, and experiments, gathering party information about who is involved and how to contact them, and citations, which give references to the scientific literature. Then we collect information from modelling groups about their models and how those models have been set up to conform to the requirements of the CMIP6 experiments. ESDoc also collects information from the modelling groups about the machines that they use to run CMIP6 simulations and the machine's performance, such as the number of simulated years per real-time day. Finally, ensemble and simulation descriptions will be auto-generated by ESDoc from the CMIP6 data that's submitted to the ESGF archive. However, we're still going to need modelling groups to document the differences between simulations on ensemble axes. You can find out more about the ESDoc documentation for CMIP6 here on the CMIP6 pages of the ESDoc website. Also, these screencasts will show you how to find our CMIP6 documentation and give you an overview of the information that you'll find there. If you have any questions about the information presented in these screencasts, or that's on our web pages or in our documentation, you can contact us from the email address on our contact page.